All right, fam, so we do have some greenness in the market, which is super awesome. The total market cap made a new high here, which I'm going to talk about in a second. But this is basically what I've been saying for the past 3-4 days. So if you just look through the daily updates that we're doing here, and 7 days ago I said urgent Bitcoin bottoms in if it plays out. It did play out, and I said rally is imminent 4 days ago. Yesterday I said urgent, watch this, what level to look out for. And I have taken all these long positions that I shared in the community as well. So if you have taken the positions, you are probably up in profits, something like this, which is absolutely amazing. But the question really is this sustainable? Where are we heading? What are we going to do? So let's get going. And if you don't know who I am, my name is 𝗏𝗏, and I do these daily updates on the 100x Club. Pure, honest, short, under 10 minutes, so you can navigate the market. Been here since 2016. Subscribe to the channel if this is something that's interesting to you and you want to get information in a short, concise form that you can execute straight away. And then I said also that I'm sharing my trades in the community. It's basically free. There's a link in the description. On the top of the description, if you scroll down here, join the community, you can click there and then join in. That said, let's get going. So a couple of things to mention here. It's not only the trades that I told you, but I also have been saying for a long time, I tweeted this on January 20th, on the day of inauguration. I said 2025 will be the traders' heaven and holders' hell. Bookmark this. And the reason why I said that it's going to be traders' heaven and holders' hell, because we knew Trump is going to get into this crazy volatility. And then I said on October 21st, after I called down on the bull market, I said every pump in the next 30 to 90 days is there to trap you. You are the exit liquidity. And no wonder that the data is coming out now and basically showing the same thing. Sorry about the setup. I'm still moving around the place and it's Christmas and all that, so I'm not even in the office, but I have to drop this update to you, but I hope you appreciate it. If you do, comment below. 150 billion longs this year has been liquidated, averaging about 450 million daily leverage flushes. So this is exactly what I've been calling for since January, that this is going to be a trader's market. Now, very, very importantly, I have actually not been calling for a long position for a long time. If you have been in the community or if you just basically followed the channel, I called the bull market top on the 17th of October and I have been shorting ever since. That has been the play. But there's been something that changed, and the change came after we had the market came all the way down here and showed a market structure shift on the 4-hour and the hourly chart. Let me just try to see if this starts loading here. So showed a market structure shift here. So if you look at the hourly chart, what happened is that the market closed above here. There was a first signal for the reversal. The first time that we've seen this since October 17th, that there was a higher high formed on the hourly and on the 4-hour chart. That is a very, very strong reversal signal. And then after that, there was a pullback coming all the way down here and the reversal again. So you can see this, there was a close above there and the pullback is coming down, and from there we have seen a 1-hour market structure shift that you can see here. Again, this is something I designed. These shows that you have to come back every day. Watch these 10 minutes a day. If you don't have that, please leave crypto, and if you do, watch these and join the Telegram as well, because that's how I can keep you posted. And all of these is actually explained step by step what I'm referring to now. So when this market structure shift happened, I said this is what we need to see, and then we need to see a 50% reversal, and then we need to see from there a market structure shift. Also, I posted this. Like I literally tweeted from the show. This is literally this. I said we have to come back and then go from there. That is literally what happened. And now the parabola can start. So that said, here's what I'm looking for. The good news is that we do have yet another 1-hour market structure shift. This was the high here. This is the 15-minute. This was the high here, there was a reversal here, and then we came all the way back down here. This is just a wick, therefore that doesn't count. And then all the way close above there, retrace to the order block, and then a push to new highs again. Therefore, this means that we have an established structure that we can see and rally into going into the center rally towards the end of the year. And I genuinely believe that is going to happen. As I said here on the channel as well, Bitcoin market rally is imminent, and that is what is going to happen in my opinion. Now, what am I looking for? A couple of things. The bottom is in. The local bottom is in here at 2.82. If you look at any of the charts that I actually posted, so I'm long ETH, if you look at it, it's all the way down here to the 4-hour bottom. That is what I believe is going to be the bottom ultimately, and it is, I would say, obviously nothing is financial advice, but I would say is safe to long at these levels. This is why I have taken long positions. It is safe to long and keep those stop losses down there. Obviously manage risk, don't go all ape shit, but that is what I believe is happening. Next up is that I do believe that the main target remains 3.22 trillion at least, because that is the daily high. That is the daily equilibrium. So the daily 50% retracement retrace up here. So I would not be surprised if the market starts rallying going into Christmas and we see a push all the way up here, which is like a decent 10 to 15% push up here. We can go all the way up here to this daily OB at 3.59, 3.6. So somewhere here, I do expect a rejection, and when that happens, I'm going to close the long positions that I have open. All of the positions are visible here. I'm running this account openly so you can see it as well. And actually, from next year, I'm actually launching a completely new account, running it up with you guys again, so it's going to be exciting. But anyway, ultimately TLDR, I do believe that we are primed for a major push on the market. I do think that we need to see a very impulsive move from around here, whether it's happening from the weekend or whether it's going to happen coming next week. Ultimately, I do believe that the 4-hour bottom is in, which means that the lows, this doesn't load again, let me just start again. I do believe that the 4-hour bottom is in here at 2.83, and from here on it is rally time. Again, we can come down here as well. I don't know where it's exactly going to happen because there is a lower time frame confirmation here with the 15-minute market structure shift. I do think that we rally from here. There is a possibility for a little bit of retrace here and then move on, but I don't really think that we're going much lower here. We can. I don't know. The manipulation is crazy, but I do believe that the bottom is in here at 2.82, and most of the 4-hour charts I've showed is in. Now, a couple of things. One, again, I do have the trades here in the community. You can look back. Yes, I do think they are still good entries. Okay, so even if you get in later, now some of these are profit, but for example, SUI is still down. Not much. It's a 30x average, so it's 2% down from our entry, but still it is down. I do think it's a great opportunity. Two, the bots. I have a full video on why I bought the dip here. You get better entries than I got. Some of the tokens are up, some of them are down, majority is up, so all net I'm up on these positions, but do believe this is the time. Like, again, I'm just telling you, these are the bull market bots that I'm preparing for 2026. They have an extreme range. If I deployed 10% back on my capital that I sold on the 17th of October, if you think this is good, watch out the video that we're going to put up in the card and also the end screen, and also you'll be able to see it here in the description. So you scroll down here, how 𝗑𝗏 bought my dips, so you can either copy my bots, which are just here, click of a button, and you can also just watch the video that explains how and why I bought these bots. Now, also, very important, watch that as well. If you sign up using our link, you can get a $1,000 sign-up bonus as well on Pinax. And the next thing I wanted to say is the following. You know, the S&P 500 is skyrocketing, and it seems like that crypto is being a little bit left behind with everything, and everything else or outside of crypto is going. S&P 500 is going, Nvidia is making new highs, gold is making new all-time highs, silver is making new all-time highs. So I was thinking about starting to do a on-chain stocks as well. So if you're interested in how to trade on-chain stocks, on-chain commodities, and what the process to that to actually use your USDT, most of the cases non-KYC, let me know in the comment section, please, because I genuinely want to know if this is something interesting for you. I am going to start producing these short form videos about that as well. Otherwise, guys, just please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Come back for another one. Watch this video that I'm going to put up right here in a big thing, why I bought the dip. Please consider deploying into the bots. I think it's the perfect opportunity. We've seen this multiple times where people don't do it. The tokens are at 70%. I don't know what you're waiting for. Please check that out. Otherwise, I will update you tomorrow as well if anything happens. And obviously, if something happens, constantly updating you in the Telegram group as well. Guys, truly appreciate you, and I'll see you next one. Take care.